Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a method which helps you increase your FPS in games and improve system responsiveness. The app is called Home and today I'm going to show you how to use it and optimize your computer. So first step is you go to your browser and open home.gg/download. Then you click on download and it should start downloading in your downloads folder. After you have done that, you can open it and log into your Google account or Discord account. After you've done that, you should see a similar window to mine. It should have some adverts on here, like there it says sponsor. I don't know why it's not working for me, but there's basically 12 optimizations in this app that I recommend. The other optimizations are not for everyone because those depend on what kind of PC you have, whether it's a laptop or it's a computer. So I would recommend I would recommend 12 optimizations to everyone, and those optimizations should be on your screen right now. You can pause the video to apply those optimizations. Alright, now that you have optimized your computers using those optimizations I just showed in the video, there's two optimizations that depend on what kind of hardware you have. So the first is optimize AMD graphics. This you can apply only when you have an AMD GPU, not an integrated one, only a dedicated GPU like RX 6700 XT or something like that. If you apply this on an iGPU, like let's say you got a 5600G and you applied on your integrated graphics, then it could destroy your computer. I'm not gonna lie. It may stop giving video and stuff, or would be really slow. So only apply this if you have an AMD graphics card, dedicated one, like the big ones. And the other is NVIDIA tweaks. So you go here, you click on this, and you see there's a bunch of options here. So this is for those people who have NVIDIA GPUs, like let's say RTX 2060, RTX 3060, like that. So you can apply those if you have an NVIDIA GPU. And the two other optimizations that I would say you can apply but not recommended, like it's optional, it's up to you, is first optimize BC edit boot config. So basically what it does is disables all kind of startup processes which come when you boot your computer. Like let's say if you have an Asus computer, it shows Asus and the Windows loading thing, like that spinning circle. So basically when you apply this, it won't show any of those, and it may or may not improve your boot time. Like maybe it would decrease your boot time like by let's say 2 seconds or 3 seconds, but it's not really recommended because let's say if your Windows has some kind of issue and your Windows is not booting, if you have enabled this, then you won't even know if it's loading or not, and you may be stuck there for like 30 minutes figuring out if it's loading, it's booting or not. So it's up to you if you can take the risk of not seeing what's happening for a small time. So that's the PC and boot config. And the second one is disable idle. Only apply this you have like a dedicated computer, like a tower PC. Don't apply this if you have a laptop because it increases your power consumption by a lot and increases a lot of heat. It just makes the CPU processor go like 100% all the time, and so it increases a lot of heat. And the third one is disable mitigations. So there's like basically some background services that protect you from viruses. So those work like antiviruses from like the internet, and let's say you download something from your browser that's like malicious. So these background services take a lot of performance, but they do help you stay secure. So it depends on you if you want that extra performance for the lack of security, because this disables all that mitigation security that slow down your computer but help your computer to stay safe. So it's up to you if you want performance or security. I have enabled this because I basically use my brain and I don't download any dodgy stuff from the internet. You get it? So yeah, that's basically what you have to do in this app. And if you have any games, you can go to the games tab. It should show you all the games that you have. Currently, Hone doesn't support all of the games that you may be playing. There should be one or two of your many games here. So you can click on the games that you want to optimize, let's say Roblox or PUBG. Then you can click on apply tweak and it will apply it. And then your games should perform better if you change the video settings and stuff. So it will not look bad, but it will improve your performance. And I've tested it, it works. And now for all of the people who are like scared, like is this really a good software, it's not like a malware or stuff like that. So I'm here to tell you I have tested it on like 3 machines. I've applied all the tweaks on my Francis computer and my computer even, and the computers that I have applied it to work so much better after applying these tweaks and have no virus or something like that. Hone is safe, it's really good, and you should definitely try it. It's really good. So yeah, that was Hone, and that is how you optimize your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like if this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.